Welcome to Pub Travels. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you stopping by. Please click like, share, and subscribe. Today I'm going to make a little bit of a variation of lox and bagels. I have some smoked salmon, some capers, beautiful capers. I love capers. Delicious briny. I've got a red onion. We've got some cream cheese. I don't think I'm forgetting anything else. Rather than a bagel, I'm going to make a sandwich out of this Bolillo bread. All right, that'll make for a nice sandwich. Nice little julienne. All right, let's build our sandwich. Got some cream cheese. All right, nice fair bit of cream cheese. We'll start with our smoked salmon. Just gonna peel some layers off. All right, nice amount of smoked salmon. Got some red onion, loaded up with the red onion. Put our capers on here. Oh yeah, nice amount of capers. Love the nice salty briny capers. All right, let's cut this thing in half. Look at that. Is that a beautiful sandwich? Let's give this a try. Thanks for watching Pub Travels. Please click like, share, and subscribe. That is Morgan. He is whining. He wants to go outside. All right, I'll take you out. Thanks again. Please click like, share, and subscribe.